Tutor, where school is made simple. Let's go.
In this video, we're going to look at an algebraic concept and operation called FOIL. Before we get to that, I want to go back and look at some basic mathematics, multiplication in particular, and it's something you've learned back in 3rd and 4th grade in most cases. So we're going to look at 38 times 4. Well, 4 times 8 is, of course, 32. But we don't put the 3 down here, we move it up here because we're going to carry it. And then 4 times 3 is, of course, 12 plus 3, which is 15. So 38 times 4 is 152. Most of us have mastered vertical math, so let's look at it in the horizontal context. 4 times 38 is a little difficult to do for many people, but if we were to split this up and make it a little bit easier to look at, say instead of 38, we said that that was 40 minus 2. Well, 4 times 40 is simple, and 4 times 2 is simple. So this may be an easier operation. So let's look first at 4 times 40, which will give us this, and then 4 times negative 2. So we put each of the terms in parentheses, and we put a plus sign in the middle. 4 times 40 is 160, 4 times negative 2 is negative 8, and then 160 minus 8 is 152. But we're in algebra, so let's look at this involving some letters. What if we had x times 3x minus 2? Well, we're going to apply the same concept. We're going to take our x outside and multiply it first times the 3x, and then multiply it times the negative 2. X times 3x gives me 3x squared, and x times negative 2 gives me negative 2x. So 3x squared minus 2x is my answer. Now let's look at this from a slightly different perspective, add a little bit of complexity to it. If I were to look at 31 times 17, 7 times 1 is 7, 7 times 3 is 21, it's the end so I don't have to carry. I come down and put a 0 at the start of the next line, and then 1 times 1 is 1, 1 times 3 is 3, so this is 310. Add these up, and I get 527. But again, vertical we can do. Let's look at this horizontally. One way to write 31 is 30 plus 1, and 17 could be 20 minus 3. So now we're going to go back and use our arcs and start to put some of this information together in expanded form. So I'm going to start with 30 times 20. And then 30 times negative 3. Now we're going to look at 1 times 20, and then 1 times negative 3. Then I'm going to combine my terms. 30 times 20 is 600. 30 times negative 3 is negative 90. 1 times 20 is 20. And then 1 times negative 3 is negative 3. I'm going to combine the first two terms using PEMDAS. 600 minus 90 is 510, and then I bring down the rest. Again, PEMDAS says you do the first two from left to right, so 510 plus 20 is 530, bring down the rest, minus 3, and then 530 minus 3 is 527. Okay, we've confirmed that this operation works, and this is what we call FOIL, when we take terms in two separate parentheses and then multiply them by each other. So again, this is good to do it numerically, but let's look at it algebraically. Here we have x plus 7 times 2x minus 3. So we're going to start by using our arcs. And we get x times 2x, x times negative 3, 7 times 2x, and then we combine our terms. X times 2x will give me x squared, 2x squared. X times negative 3 will give me negative 3x. 7 times 2x will give me 14x. And then 7 times 3, negative 3 will give me negative 21. Then I look at combining like terms. Get 2x squared plus 11x minus 21. And this is how we expand x plus 7 times 2x minus 3 using